Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. Today we're in a meter room, a power room. We're doing the lock on it. Before I do the lock, I thought I'd sort of give you a quick look around what's inside a meter room inside a big building. There's a big cockroach there in here. There's probably a lot of low frequencies because there's a lot of power in here. And I thought I'd just give you a look here just to give you a bit of an idea. Now these ones here are the smart meters, so the meter reader doesn't need to come in here and actually undo it. Sorry, it doesn't need to come in here and actually manually read each one. They're going to report to the meter reading department without them actually needing to come on site. They've got their little antennas there. I don't know, maybe 5G or something. They've got some way of doing it, but these are going to be the new thing. So eventually they'll all be replaced, hopefully, and the meter readers won't need to go on site. These are your main big fuses down here. So if something blows, you've got your circuit breakers too. They'd probably be doing levels or whatnot, or that'd be the main one, and then you'd have your circuit breakers down there. Circuit breakers, main fuse, circuit breakers, main fuse. If anything's going to pop, it's going to be one of these ones first. I'm not sure if they're the ones that, like the RCDs, where if you put your finger in it might little trip. I'm not too sure on that, but probably not. Probably these are the big fuse. That'd be a massive fuse for the unit. I don't know. Let's take, for example, 100 amp. Then you probably have your circuit breaker at about 80 amp. Then inside the unit you've probably got the next one down. Over this side we've got a lot of electrical for the main building there. You can see the big orange one going in. The blue ones I'm not too sure on what they are. Probably like 15, I guess, 15 amp. The other ones, all the twin inverse. They run in these tracks all the way around the building. Here you have your big kahunas. You're looking at these wires here. So I mean, I don't know how many volts are going through these big huge red ones, but they're huge, they're fat. And then you got the next size down, and then some orange ones and some black ones and some earths up the back. So basically one touch on that and you're fried, you're gone. I don't know if it's it would be 415 three phase or whatnot, but those ones there are taking in so much power. You can see the size of the cables. So this whole side here you don't even want to be close to. Not that it's going to do anything, but if you touch anything, this is where, you know, there's huge danger. Well, actually both of them are huge danger. We're looking at the Lenlock. It's actually got the Lenlock. They're like a clutching type handle. Oh, it's not even locked. And then we have all our big huge switches, and they're big too. 240. I'm not even sure how to read the amps on there. Well, that should be locked. Main switch and some test points or a bus and a couple of smart meters. So they would be for the building, using the building, isolating. So no one's ever going to come in here and do anything except if the fire brigade needs to isolate, or a Sparky needs to do some work on the main building. One thing I do like is Sparkies are very good at labelling things, and they do this to either for themselves or for the next person. So a good tradie always leaves some notes, similar to the way locksmiths do it in their Master King system. You ought to leave good notes so the next person who picks it up can actually understand what you've done. Don't know where that big dirty cockroach went, and it looks like we've got another door back here. Oh, interesting. There's just one door there. Another light switch. So that's that, and they're the big huge ones. These ones would be coming from over this side, over to here. So it comes in here off the street, over to here, and then gets distributed from there. So that was just a quick look in the meter room, brand new meter room for a building, 40 units, 50 units that we're working on today. Thanks for watching.